Hi everyone. In this situation, in this crisis situation, we are facing a cash shortage. Most of the people don't have enough cash in their hands. Just imagine. In case if you need a fairly big amount, maybe 500,000, 1 million, 2 million cash for an emergency, like a medical emergency, what do? You got to liquidate something you have, maybe a vehicle, a FD, or in that matter you might have to dispose land. For a medical emergency, if you don't have cash in your hand, your loved one will definitely suffer. They will not have enough money. You may not be able to give a proper treatment for them. Your company may have given you a medical insurance policy, but the limit may be 100,000, 200,000, 500,000. It may not be enough. A cost for a day in a very leading private hospital, around 100,000 a day. Right? It may be more than that. If you happen to get dengue or that type of illness, if you are asked to stay 7 days, your medical bill will be around 700,000. Your insurance cover may not be enough to cover that cost. Where do you find that money? Therefore, I will like to tell you or remind you, please visit your existing medical coverage and try to enhance it. At the same time, if you can afford, try to buy a global cover. Reason is, in Sri Lanka, there are certain illnesses that cannot be treated, or you may not have facilities to do that. Maybe you will have to go to Singapore, or Malaysia, or India, or that matter, UK, USA. Just imagine, if you need about 500,000, just imagine if you need 5 million to 10 million rupees to get a treatment done, and you have no money. But you can't say no to your loved ones or the breadwinner. Somehow you will find money. Your total asset may be liquidated to get that treatment done. Why not think intelligently and have a proper insurance cover to get a better coverage locally as well as internationally? If you have a good medical insurance, this is the ideal time to think about and transfer the risk to an insurance company. Most of the people think about the cost or the premium that they pay for a month or a year. But my suggestion is, the amount you pay and the loss that you might incur into the future is very high. Sometimes the loss cannot be valued. Therefore, think about a medical insurance, a good medical insurance. I'm an independent advisor. I have 30 years experience in financial services. I have seen how people have suffered of not having an insurance policy. Like Jack Ma said, no one will lose having an insurance policy, but many have lost many things not having an insurance policy. So think about it. Good luck. All the best.